Welcome students, welcome to the third part of my video. Renaissance in Europe, Development and Science. SYGC, History. As we have witnessed in the first part, the Crusades, what are the factors that prompted people to fight for crusades? And what was the consequence we saw in the first part? In the second part, we have seen that there was Renaissance, or so-called as rebirth, in art. First, the focus was on God. Later on, they focused on humanism. Johannes Gutenberg, he invented printing press, which brought a major change in the Roman Catholic Church, where Bible was printed in their own mother tongue, and people came to know about the real facts of the religion, and they gave a death sentence to the Roman Catholic Church. Now we will see what are the development of science. In 17th century, there were various foundations that led to the development of modern science. The scientific rules came into existence. Scientific formulas were made. New scientific parallels were made. And the efforts were made to bring in progress of science. Now, in order to bring in progress of science, science journals, which included the research articles written by the scientists, correspondence between them, clearing the doubts, exchanging thoughts. There was various academy, Lennox, aired in Rome, Academy for Experiment in Florence, Royal Society for Improving Natural Knowledge in London, French Academy of Science in France were the prime importance. Now, what were the various inventions made? Compass, as we all know, telescope, thermometer, barometer. And the most important thing is microscope was invented during this period to observe various types of microorganisms. Robert, an alchemist, is known for discovering the absolute pressure and volume of the gas. They are inversely proportional. The research in physics were most focused on the aspects of heat and sound. In zoology, the methodology known as taxonomy was developed to classify animals. The research of Benjamin Franklin was very important. That is, through light on various aspects of lightning and electricity. He coined many technical terms which were used in electrical science even today. The most important thing, textile industries. Weaving of woolen clothes was very old cottage industry in England. 1738, John Kay made a patent flying shuttle. It increased the speed of weaving. The next advanced stage was spinning jenny. which had frames with multiple spindles made by James Harvey in England. One could work 8 spindles simultaneously on this frame, reduce the amount of labor and the time of production. In 1769, Richard Arkwright made more advanced spinning frame. It could produce yarns much faster and better twisting and strength. Samuel Crompton invented modified spinning jenny in 1779. In 1785, Edmund Cartwright invented power looms. In 1793, the machine called cotton gin was introduced. This machine was useful in removing cotton seeds and cotton fibers with much greater speed. Now, my dear students, the next what we are going to see is related to metals, metallurgy. You know, there were several minerals which were as a resource throughout the world, not only in Europe. But to purify was a task which was not so easy. Gradually, what has happened, the iron mines which were there in England, they started using technology with the help of science, and they brought iron furnace. They replaced from wood to coal. It facilitated the creation of furnace that could attain much higher temperature, resulting in increase in production of iron. The machines were made to keep furnace burning at a set temperature to maintain its acceleration. In 1865, the process of producing steel and molten iron was invented, and the nature of iron industry underwent major transformation. At about the same time, the method was developed to pour molten metal into the cast for making iron bars. For example, for laying railway lines. Now, my dear students, machines. Machines were invented. Now, the first thing here I would like to mention here is of Thomas Bell. In 1783, he made a machine for cylinder or roller printing on fabric. In 1809, the machines came to be used for sticking together the heels and the soles of the shoes. Tailoring machines were made. James Watt invented steam engine. In course of time, there were several other inventions made related to agriculture, like ploughing machine, powered ploughs, harvesters, grass cutting machines were made. The machines could complete agricultural operation within short time. In America, Robert Fulton, an engineer, successfully sailed a steamboat which was named as Clermont. The first attempt of using steam engine for road transport was done by George Stephenson. A steam engine for railways was also produced. This railway engine could successfully cut the distance between Liverpool and Manchester. Later, the railway service was expanded through Europe. It shortened the time of the travel within Europe. Thus, I would like to end this video. Students, if you liked the video, please do like it. If you have not subscribed it, subscribe it. And if people are not aware of this video, please do give awareness by sending the link. So, my dear students, I know this 12th standard is a very crucial year. I wish you all the best for your examination. May you come out with flying colors.